Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thanks for joining in. So what's cooking, everybody? Stay with me. Making Asun today, which is also known as spicy goat meat. It is amazing. It's what we call small chop, including yam. Gosh, yam. Sorry, yam is my absolute fave, but we're not talking about yam today, so we're gonna move on and stick to Asun. It's one of those dishes that I make at least once a week because it's just nice and easy, and it's there when you want a little nibble, you want to put it on the side of your food. It's just a good, tasty, meaty dish to always have in hand. However, it's mostly prepared outdoorsy, you know, on a grill outdoor. It has a different taste to it, and when it has a little bit of skin on the goat meat, but I couldn't find any, so I have to make use of what I have. Yeah, so I'll be making it from the comfort of my home. But before I go on and keep talking, if you're new, please subscribe, join me, come join me. And if you're liking what I'm doing, or if you like what I've been doing so far, please do not hesitate to obviously like and comment as well. If you do have any suggestions, I'm always open to hear it. But yeah, enough of me blabbing on, because I do that a lot. I don't want to keep blabbing on, so let's get to it. In here we have the goat meat that's been marinating, and I've got in here some red onions, one red onions, a little bit of curry and thyme, and some seasoning, some goat seasoning. And yeah, so it's been marinating overnight. So what I'm going to do now is just put it on the fire. Here we have 1 bell pepper, 1 red onion, 3 scotch bonnet, and 2 cloves of garlic. This will blend it together. You also need another red onion, curry and thyme, just because I love it, a green bell pepper, no cubes. Okay guys, so in here I've just put this on the fire now, and it's just on a medium heat. You don't need to add any water to it, because goat meat actually has, when you put it on the fire, water comes out of it. So that's all you need in order to seal the taste inside the goat meat. So yeah, please do not put any water in there. The goat meat has the juice coming out of it already. Okay, so all you have to do is just keep stirring it. Okay, but you can leave it in there. Obviously I left mine in the fridge overnight, so you can leave it and just cover it up for about 10-15 minutes, just for it to obviously warm up a little bit. Okay, we're back in 10. guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. As I said, it is an sit still, yeah. Sit still. Sorry, my button just literally flew across the kitchen, so I'm having to do this. I don't want to run upstairs because I'm in my kitchen and we don't want any of that going on. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that recipe. It was nice and quick and meaty and spicy and delicious. If you do try it, let me know. Take pictures, tag me so I can see. Tag me on Diary to Desk on Instagram, on my Snapchat at the desk. Let me know how it goes, okay? This is an interactive space. I need us to be interactive. Talk to me, let me know what's going on. I want to know, I'm your girl. Anyway, you have a good week and stay tuned and stay sweet. I can't dance, I don't know why, I've just done that. Okay.